welcome to How to Grow a Garden. I'm Scarlett. Today I want to talk to you about the Eco Fan. This is the box, this is the fan. It's silent. And it also is battery free. There are no cables, there's no battery, it's just a fan. It doesn't turn fast enough that it will hurt you. So right now the stove is only at 250 degrees Celsius, but once it's up to about 400, and we like to burn it at about 400 a few times a day in order to work off all the creosote in the wood stove, this guy gets really fast. But again, it's not like a typical fan. There's no power behind it. It's not a continuous turn. So if you bump into it, it just stops. Now you can get smaller ones. This is the largest option. It runs whenever the wood stove is on. I will put the information and the link, and I'll try to find it on Amazon, put a link at the bottom for you guys. So you can easily find it if you want to try it out or purchase it, or read more about it online. So the only thing I can really say about it, because it's not super powerful, is that we might end up buying more than one. We have a really large stove in a very small house, which is awesome because we really like it really hot in here. But to put 2 or 3 on top of the stove would perhaps move the heat a little better. So I might actually get more of them. The coolest thing about it is that it takes no electricity at all, so I don't have to worry at all about it contributing to our kilowatt hours, our daily kilowatt hours. Now I am in absolutely no connection with the company. I was not asked to do this review. I'm only reviewing it because we are trying to get closer to living off-grid, and I think something like this is really useful to any of you who may also be trying to live off-grid or lower your kilowatt hours, or just be more environmentally friendly. It's a pretty cool little thing. I'm Scarlett, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Toodaloo!